How to turn on or turn off calendar time zone override on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now from the Settings page, we scroll down all the way down to the bottom and then tap on Apps. Next, tap on Calendar. And in here, tap on Time Zone Override. At the top here, you can tap on Time Zone Override toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. Once you have turned it on, you can also tap on the time zone and select your preferred time zone. So here I can select San Jose and then tap on the back key, or you can simply just swipe up to go back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.